Before we go, we want to bring on real quick Rasta Brethren giving thanks. Give it up one time for Spragga Benz.
Yeah. Much respect.
You want to be
well, this gotta be real quick because the time is upon us and I didn't come early enough, so I'm just gonna give you one single a cappella song. And this one is called Brighter Days I see, brighter days for you and me I see. Brighter days when Babylon can't do nothing but set us free I see. Brighter days I see, brighter days in front of me. Brighter days when all of my people are living as happy as can be I see. Brighter days I see, a brighter day with a brighter sight I see. Brighter sunshine as it brightens the world with a brighter light I see. Brighter love I see, brighter faces with brighter smiles and a brighter future like how them youth and them decide for soldiers all the while I see. Brighter days I see, brighter days for you and me I see. Brighter days when Babylon can't do with nothing but set us free I see. Brighter days I see, brighter days in front of me. Brighter days when all of my people are living as happy as can be. When the politicians them stop themselves and put them welfare in front themselves, start grow some and get militant and stop brown nose IMF and World Bank and we people get back in at themselves. Stop wait pan Santa to send down help. Stop eat where we go, cut back pan imports. When the sink in a debt so they must stay afloat. But it's sake of greedy and dance. Them sell the resources cheap for cook lunch. Oh yes, them sell them all. Sell from backside to beaches to Duns River Fall. Pan Kingston streets cameras are installed. We take our rights, our privacy like say we they a road but still behind prison wall. Jah Rastafari the youth them a call. Brighter days I see, brighter days for you and me I see. Brighter days, you know? Yeah, for real. That was good. We only had 1 minute to do that, so you know we had to make the most of that.